so damn right now. Standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put a quite a show, really had me going. That was quite a show. Curtains falling closest, that was not a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. No one to think about, but it's over now.
Panood niya, panood.